Animated short films and cartoon videos are dominating the internet right now. Across YouTube and short-form platforms, this type of content is generating billions of views. From viral animated shorts to cinematic AI videos, creators are gaining massive traffic and recognition through animation content. This clearly proves one thing. The market for animated videos is huge and still growing fast. And now, with Dzine AI, creating high-quality animated effects and videos is easier than ever. Let's begin. Now, I will provide you with an all-in-one master prompt. In this prompt, there are 10 image prompts and 10 video prompts for YouTube Shorts videos and long videos. It also includes character consistency, main character design, video style, content types to include, and output format and sections. I have provided this prompt in the description. Now, my friends, simply copy this all-in-one main prompt, come to ChatGPT, paste the prompt, and click Generate. This time, ChatGPT will give 2 sections. The first section is for consistent image prompts, and the second section is for consistent video prompts. You will also get a main consistent character prompt that we will use in all image prompts. Now we generate image and video prompts. Now the time has come to generate videos and images. Today, we will use a new AI tool. Now come to Dzine AI. I have provided the link in the description. My friends, simply open the link and come to this AI website. First of all, look at the website interface. It looks very clean and nice. First, log in with your Google ID. You will see many tools available, my friends, like image to image, chat editor, consistent characters, lip sync, image to video, text to image, community styles, storyboard, face swap, enhance, and more. Dzine AI also provides tutorials to guide you on how to generate images and videos and how to use the tool. Scroll down and you will see many different tools like Sketch to Art, 2D to 3D, Art Reference, Detail Refine, Image to 3D Model, People Photography Tools, Jewelry Tools, and many more. Scroll further and you will see the Style Library. In this library, you will see General Tools, Realistic Tools, Flux Tools, GPT Tools, and many different models available. Now, my friends, first we will create our own consistent character. Open the tool. When you open it, you will see an option called Build Your Own Character. Simply click on it. You will see 2 options, Quick Mode and Training Mode. We will use Quick Mode for this. First, we need to generate a character image. Go back and click on Text to Image. First, we select a model for image generation. Look, they have many different models available like Dzine AI in general, Nano Banana Pro, GPT Tools, Seedream Tools, Midjourney Style, Flux, and more. So I select the Nano Banana Pro model for the character image. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy the main character prompt. Select the quality or ratio, then simply click Generate Image. Now wait, my friends. It takes a few seconds to generate the image. And look, our character is generated. Now look, it is so cute. Check the quality. It looks very nice and amazing. Simply download the image. Now, my friends, go again to the Consistent Character tool. Open it and select Quick Mode. First, add a name for your character. Now, copy your first image prompt from ChatGPT and paste it. Then, upload your character image. When you upload the character image, simply select the character style, and it will generate the character. Then, select the model, Nano Banana Pro, or any model you like. Then click Generate. Now wait for a few seconds. And look, our consistent character is generated. Now it is time to generate images. My friends, simply copy prompts from ChatGPT and paste them into the Dzine AI box. Select the ratio and click Generate Image. Now generation has started. Wait a few seconds. Look, our image is ready. The same process will be used for all image generation. Nothing will change. Simply generate all your images. When all images are ready, download all the images to your PC. Now, we are ready for video generation. Simply come back to the home page. You will see the image to video option. Open it. Now it is time to generate videos. There are two options, keyframe or reference video. Now select the keyframe option. Then, my friends, select a video model like Veo, Kling, or other models. There are many video generation models available. All popular models are available here. Select any model you like. Then select video quality and duration. I select 10 seconds and 1080p video quality. Then simply upload the image. Now go back to ChatGPT, copy the first video prompt and paste it into the box of Dzine AI. Now everything is ready. Simply click Generate Video. Now our generation has started. My friends, wait for some time. It may take 3 to 4 minutes to generate the first video. Wait. And boom. Look, our video is ready. It looks super nice and cinematic. It looks very realistic and clean. Now generate the second video. Upload the second image and paste the second prompt from ChatGPT. Select a model like Kling, Veo, or any model you like. Then click Generate. Use the same process for all videos. AI is a powerful AI video generator that creates videos from text. Just type your idea, and the AI generates scenes, visuals, and animation. It is perfect for YouTube automation, ads, reels, and faceless channels. Dzine AI helps you create cinematic videos using text prompts. You do not need editing skills. The AI does everything for you. Just write your idea and turns it into a professional video. It is beginner-friendly and very easy to use. Now, my friends, generate all videos one by one. Look at the videos. They look cute and nice. This is Dzine AI. My friends, now it's time for lip sync. Yes, this AI tool also has a lip sync option. First, we open our AI video, and right below it you will see an option called Lip Sync. I click on it. After clicking, you can see that the tool automatically detects all the faces. In this case, the children's faces are detected. Now I click on Next. Our video appears on the timeline. After that, there is an option called Pick a Voice. I click on it and choose the best AI voice. Since this is a kids video, I select a cheerful child-style voice, like the Cherry voice. After selecting the voice, I go to the prompt box and paste my script. Then I click on Generate Audio. The audio generation starts, and within a few moments, the voiceover is ready. As you can see, our audio generation is now complete. I simply click on Apply. After that, on the top left side, you will see the generation mode options, Normal and Pro. For best movement and clarity, we select Pro. Then choose the output resolution, for example 1080p. After that, simply click on Generate. Within about 5 to 6 minutes, our lip sync video will be ready. Now we wait for a moment, and as you can see, our video is ready. Let's open it and preview the result.
Hello, friends! Welcome to our classroom! Today we will play and learn together. Are you ready for fun? Let's start our happy adventure.
As you can see, the video looks very good and the lip sync is working smoothly. In the same way, we can generate another video with lip sync. I click again on the first video, then click on Lip Sync. The tool automatically detects the faces again. I click Next, and the video appears on the timeline. Then I go to Pick a Voice and choose another suitable AI voice. After that, I paste the script again with a few small changes and click Generate Audio. Within seconds, the voiceover is generated. Once the audio is ready, I click Apply. Now I adjust the video on the timeline and keep the same settings. Then I click Generate again. Within about 5 minutes, the tool converts the video into a perfectly synced lip sync animation. Let's preview the final result.
Welcome to our classroom! Today we will play and learn together. Are you ready for fun? Let's start our happy adventure.
As you can see, the lip sync
Welcome
looks
to our
very clean,
classroom.
smooth,
Today we will
and
play
professional.
learn together.
The characters
Are
look
you
great,
ready for
and the
fun?
overall
Let's
result
start our
is
happy
very impressive.
adventure.
So if you want, go to Dzine AI and try it yourself. This is a great time to start. Create videos and go viral. I will see you in the next video.